In this part, we are going to talk about the CSS important. And in the previous lecture, we already create a website like this, and it has an inline style with the color of deep pink. So if you look at the website, you can see there is a deep pink inside this paragraph. So if we change this to yellow, you can see it changed to yellows, and even we has created other styles or decorations, it will not be affected by these styles, so it keeps using the yellows colors. So we can change these colors by adding a important, so it will break all the specificity, because if we add the important, it will become the highest. If we add the important at this decoration, so even it has a lower specificity than the inline style, we still use these decorations. And as you can see, the website has the blue text colors, even we has the inline style at this point. But we should not use these very often, as you can see if we add the important everywhere, this is difficult to maintain. So when to use the important rule, and there are a few cases that you should use important, and all the others we should use a normal CSS rules rather than using important everywhere. The first one is sometimes you use the third-party CSS framework like Bootstrap, and sometimes we want to have some customized needs, so we can add our own styles by adding important after the decorations. And the other cases is, for example, we have this website and we just want to test whether the effect is good if we change the style. For example, in these cases, we select this and then we want to add a extra style, and we want to add the paragraph, and then we want to change this to colors, and then we want to turn it to yellow green or green yellows. Now you can see only the bottom ones change to green yellows because this disappears. So I add it again, the color green yellows, or we change to orange this time. So this just changed the last two paragraphs. So if we add the important after the orange, now you can see the effect that the first one also changed to orange, even it has the inline styles of yellows. So this is the CSS important, and be aware when we use important.